Credit360, based in Miami, Florida. We love helping good people with bad credit. We've been here just trying to help individuals get their life back on track through the platform of repairing their credit. I come from the mortgage industry. During that time, I got to see thousands of credit reports. We were able to kind of see what trends were working for specific clients and what trends weren't working for other clients. We realized that there were a lot of individuals that wanted to have good credit but just didn't really know where to start. I was able to take that knowledge. We wound up opening up Credit360 in 2011. And here we are today. We're serving over 700 clients a month. We are a seven-figure credit repair company. We were using now multiple softwares at one point. However, we did come across the Credit Repair Cloud. Credit Repair Cloud will end up being the actual spinal cord for our business. It's just a platform that has really never let us down, and it's really helped kind of automate our business, make everything streamlined. Credit Repair Cloud has really just kind of changed my life. We do look at ourselves as credit heroes because we're saving the challenged, and the challenged, they really need someone to look up to. I have to remind myself, at one point I was sitting in those chairs that they're sitting in. 2008, 2009, we had the mortgage crisis. With that mortgage crisis, I wound up having to shut down my mortgage company, and that was during the time when I actually went through a struggle myself. You know, I was going through a divorce. I actually wound up losing my house. Questioning, was I even going to lose my business? Having somebody there behind your back can help you overcome those tight situations.
To help a family go from a homeless shelter to owning a home, there's no bigger gratification. Being able to be a hero within the industry and also within the community, you know, we take pride in what we do here at Credit360. So the slogan, Credit Hero, kind of fits exactly what we aim to do here.
Being in this space, I love it. I wouldn't ask for anything else other than be a credit repair specialist, AKA credit hero.